Good morning, student. Welcome back to my Zoom class. Today we'll start presentation software special 5, chapter 5. Okay, have you seen? Okay, so presentation software, presentations software. Okay. Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful presentation tool. Microsoft PowerPoint. We'll read about Microsoft PowerPoint in these lessons. Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is a very powerful tool used for presentations. It helps us to communicate our view and idea effectively by adding text, diagram, photo, chart, clip art, sound, color, design, and animated special effects. In the previous lessons, you learned how to create slide in PowerPoint 2010 and add text and picture in a slide. In this chapter, you learn about format text, work with themes to enhance the quality of slide. In Microsoft PowerPoint, one can create panel in two ways: blank presentation, sample text. We can create presentation in two ways: blank presentation. We will discuss blank presentation okay, and using template okay using sample template template given initial. What is template then? Template given initial foundation to build presentations quickly and easily. PowerPoint 2010 template include a simple slideshow that contain various themes and layout. One can modify the text and design of a template and picture, sound, company's logo, and can also delete the existing content from the template, and you are also allowed to add your new picture, new photo, new text, everything you can allow as per your requirement. Okay. First we will discuss built-in template. Template means what means? Template give an initial foundation to build presentation quickly and easily. Okay. Or it is a ready-made presentations. Okay. Built-in template. After opening the Microsoft PowerPoint, click on File tab and New option. Click on File tab and New option. First what you have to do? Open Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Then click on File tab. Then click on New option. Okay. After that, when you click on New option, under the available template and themes section, select this selected template. When you click on File tab, you will see this window. Okay. Click on File tab. Here these are the template option given to you. Okay. Then under available template and theme section, select the sample template. Select the Introduction to PowerPoint 2010 from the display. For the example, here select PowerPoint 2000, Introducing PowerPoint 2010 from the display list. Then click on the Create button. After that, click on the Create button. The selected template will open a new presentation. Then selected template will open as a new presentation. This new presentation contain 20 slides. This new presentation contain 20 slides. So what is slide? Slide is a pages in the PowerPoint. Illustrating different slide layout, background, theme, etc. Now you Now add text in the placeholder of each slide and view the slideshow. Okay. Now enhancing the look of a presentation. Enhancing the look of presentation. Look of presentation. Okay. Part 1. Create a new presentation by using blank presentation and enter the text as shown figure 5.3. Okay. In these sections, we'll create presentation using new presentation, blank presentation. As earlier told you, we can start presentation in two ways, using blank presentation and using sample template. From there, how to create presentation using blank presentations. Create a new presentation by using blank presentation and enter the text as shown to you. Select the text and click on front drop down list in the font group on the home tab. Select any font. The font of the selected text gets changed. You can change the font size by clicking on the drop down arrow next to the font size button in the font group and selected the desired text. Select the text and click the increase font size to increase the size. Click again will further increase the size. To decrease the font size, click on decrease font size button. Clicking again will further reduce the size. Select the text and click on text shadow button to give shadow effect. Click again will remove the shadow effect. To apply formatting style to the text, click on bold button. It is bold button, it is italic button, and it is underline button for apply bold, italic or underline effect to your text respectively. To apply the formatting text effect to another section, select the text and click on format painter button. Okay. In the clipboard group on the home tab, hold down the mouse and drag over the text on which you want to apply formatting effect and release the mouse button. Okay. So in this way, we can add or enhance the look of presentation. Enhance means improve the look of presentation. How our presentation look beautiful. Okay. So on that way, we'll modify our text, give text to different color, increase the size, increase the styles. Okay. In this way, we can improve our or make beautiful to our presentation. So that is called enhancing the look of a presentation. Okay. Here in blank presentation, have you seen? Okay. Using this, decrease the font size button is here, increase the font size button is here, text shadow button is here. Okay. So by changing it, we can improve our presentation. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, bye.